Yo, what's up, YouTube? I hope everybody doing good today on this Tuesday afternoon. Yeah, man. Hey, y'all see that building in the background? Yup. We at the courthouse. Yup. 84 Cuddy gotta go handle some business right quick. Hey. But if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you turn on all post notification bells, man, cause we about to get lit. Yeah, man. Hey, I'm about to run in here, man. I know it's gonna seem like maybe 2 seconds for y'all, maybe. It's gonna be about an hour or so for me, maybe longer than that. Y'all know it on, man. I hate coming up here. Hey, but it gotta get handled. Hey, suited up and all. Yep, just like this. I don't care. I got other stuff to handle. I got other stuff going on after this. Hey, but hey, y'all stay locked, man. I'm gonna cut y'all back on after this. Let's get it.
Too low to the mall, with a couple capos and 100 fucking dimes. College slaughter gang, you get your shit popped. Draco with a drum, the bitch ain't never go.
What's up, y'all? We back, man. Just like that, we back. Man, y'all know that in Postman, right? That joker been too goddamn short, for real. Well, in my case, like I said, I know it's like, feel like a second on y'all end. Man, how about, cause see, listen, y'all. Yeah, I done got in trouble in Sparrow, y'all. Yep. Got stopped in Sparrow, y'all. Got a ticket. Yep. But the police officer put appear in court between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. I can read. Alright. So I went between 9 and 5. What is 12:15 now? Yep. I went between 9 and 5. Nobody in the courtroom, of course. So then I stopped downstairs, talked to the clerk. She looking at the thing crazy, like why he put that on there? I don't know, but that's what he put. So that's what I did. Stopped by another officer that asked him, like, hey man, you ever see this before? He said, nah man. Why would he put that right there? I don't know. You know why? Being spiteful. Being spiteful. Cause for real, he stopped me for no reason, for real. But we ain't gonna get into all that. Man, we thank God anyway, man. We back out here, dog. Hey, but listen, man. I'ma tap back in, y'all. I'm about to take y'all to our favorite stove. Yes, sir. Hey, stay locked. Be right back. Yep, y'all know where we at. Let's get it. Hey, y'all know how I pull up. VIP. Yes, sir. Let's get it. So yeah, y'all, we out here. Man, they don't got nothing out here, y'all. Not interesting to look at right now. You know what I mean? Back on my sparrow, cause I know we flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we riding in the beat. Tip sun dark, you can't see the seats. A swap Cutlass, I call a sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car sparrow on the damn move again. Yeah, they ain't got nothing. I call a sparrow, that's for sure. I daily turn my car sparrow on the damn move again. Dang, I ain't got no boots on the ground. I got Crocs on the ground. That's all. In the junkyard with Crocs on, man. That's how we do it. I know it's the dumb way. Hey, but that's how we do it. Cut y'all back on. That's crazy. This same starter been right here when I left it here the last time. That's why I didn't take it. I left the joker right here the last time. I don't remember how long ago it was I was here. That's crazy. Yeah. Y'all see it. See what's back here. Hey. Cowboy. Huh? Sure enough, family. Huh? in the club. We all fam. Huh? Yes, sir. Man, they got a lot of LS's out here that you might not want to touch. See like that right there? That joker ain't got no wreck in them or nothing. The joker ain't wreck. Joker still got all the dang on pieces to the motor. That tell you right there, you ain't want it. This one right here, ain't wreck. See all the motor still in there? That telling you right there, you ain't want it. Huh? See? These ones like this right here, somebody must be already know it was coming in here. Cause see, some of them people be watching when some of these vehicles come in, so they already know. But if you like me and don't know, man, you better find you a wrecked one. Better find you one that's flipped, T-bone. I mean, I guess you can use some front end damage, but hey, other than that, you might want to leave them alone. Let's see what else in here. I'm gonna cut y'all back on. And that Glacier. Now come on, man. I tell you, I had want the car, bro. Y'all always tearing up shit over there, bro. Damn, man, you could have sent me the car, man. Nah, I'm playing, y'all. Hey, make sure y'all, dog, hey, make sure y'all tap in that Glacier, man. Hey, he doing the giveaway. Not on that one, but it's something that look like it. Well, shit, it don't look like it, my bad. It don't look like that. That joker clean, AC, heat. Know what I mean? That joker ride, man. Make sure y'all tap in, man. Y'all could probably win. Hey, tap in. Let's get it. Nah, classic. Man, all that work you put into that damn Jeep, man, you gonna do them like this? Golly. Hey, man, what's wrong with you and Glacier, man? Huh? Y'all put them together and tear them apart, huh? Nah, I'm playing, y'all. Hey, this little Jeep, nice, man. What it called? A bushwhacker? Man, y'all probably can't even see that. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if y'all can see that or not. Hey. Classic, what kind of motor this is? A straight 6? Man, I don't know what that means. I just see that it's straight. And let me count the cylinders to see. Let me check myself. Let me see. Got 1 injector, 2 injector. Is that injector right here? Look like, yep. 3 injector, 4 injector, 5 injector, 6 injector. So yeah, boy, look at it. I done figured him out myself, classic. We got a straight 6. Huh? We got a straight 6 out here. Boy, look at me, boy. I sound like a mechanic. Huh? You know what you got right here? Let me tell you what you got, son. You got a straight 6. I don't know what it means, but you see it straight, and you count 1, 2, let me count you the other one. You see him right there? 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, sir. Straight 6. Huh? I think I counted this cylinder. I can't see from this side now. Let me make sure I'm right. But I think I'm right. Huh? I think I'm right. Yeah, let's get it. Man, all y'all boys tripping, man. We got Chris over here too. Golly, Chris. Golly. Man, Bo. We got Chris. Huh? What Chris got going on? Broken bolt 4x4. Yes, sir. Man, boy, y'all boys out here tripping. Chris, this you too? Man, nah, Bo, this you too? Huh? Yeah. Chris got the goddamn one. Shit. Oh shit, the door I'ma fall. Yeah, that joker pretty clean on the inside though. Huh? Let's get it. Hold up, this might be you too, Chris. Boy, dang, Chris done get rid of all his dang Jeeps. I can't believe it. Oh Lord have mercy. Y'all pray for Chris. Chevy Addy talk all that trash, now his truck winking. Hot dog, boy. Call him Winky, y'all. Just call him Winky. When y'all tap in, call him Winky. Well, yeah, y'all, let's get up out here, man. Ain't nothing in here, man. Hey, y'all know how y'all used to be like, Mom and Daddy, can y'all take me to Walmart? Y'all just want to go to Walmart just to look around? Huh? Hey, that's what I wanted to do. It's Walmart. I wanted to go to Walmart. Walmart and Harbor Freight. Nah, I said Walmart. The Junkyard and Harbor Freight. Favorite store. Yes, sir. I hope y'all can see me, man, because I can't even see myself in the screen. Sun bright out here. Starting to warm up, too. Hey, about to get to the car, man. I'm going to tap back in. All right. Yo. Man, y'all see we ain't find nothing in the junkyard. You know what I mean? I really wasn't looking for nothing specific anyway, damn. I just had one to come, you know what I mean? I told Perch I been gonna come to the junkyard, especially after I saw his video too. I was like, man, I'm gonna go to the junkyard, just walk around and see what I see. You know what I mean? I tell you, man, I treat it like Walmart when we been kids, man. You wanna go to Walmart just to go, you know what I mean? Walk around Walmart. Yeah, man, that was it, man. Hey, if y'all haven't already, make sure y'all hit that like button now. And make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and turn on all post notification bells. Hey, we'll be back. Let's get it.